All right, let's check in with Eamon now. We're about halfway through the cake decorating. How's it coming along, Eamon?
Pete, thanks a lot. They're hard at work here, but I got to be honest. My wife and kids knew I was coming back from Notre Dame with some Irish merch, but I don't think anyone thought I was coming home with a leprechaun apron. I hope this doesn't make me the chef at home, but Chef Sinai, before we get to what's going on here, I got to ask you, what's the most common request you receive for a wedding cake for a wedding here on campus?
Oof. There's a specific cake. It just has like vertical or horizontal lines going across every tier. That's the cake that I've done the most of in the 7 years I've been here.
All right, that's good to know. I would ask for the Golden Dome, but that would put a lot of work on you. All right, so this is a competition. I saw you overlooking. What are you going to be looking for in judging these three cakes?
Just their creativity and use of theme. See, these guys are having a lot of fun right now.
Looks like we're getting a football field done over there. I see a gridiron going.
Oh, yeah. It looks really good.
Now, I know you've been checking out the techniques and what they're doing here. What are your overall observations of what you've seen so far at their preparation and their skills?
They're doing great. They're trying to use different techniques, and it's looking good. Just interesting.
Yes, and of course, if you're just joining us, they are against the clock. Let's take a look here. It looks like we're approaching 10 minutes, so just halfway through here. So we'll check in on them. Again, the winner gets some fancy Legos here for cakes, but I'm getting now very hungry. I can't wait to taste one of these cakes. We'll be back with more Notre Dame Day 24 right here, so keep it here.